In a world that often rushes toward convenience and mass production, the quiet art of woodworking stands as a reminder that true beauty takes time. Rustic Reimagined. How to make money with bespoke barn wood furniture is more than a business idea. It's a narrative of craftsmanship, care, and connection. It is about turning forgotten wood into meaningful creations that carry both aesthetic and emotional value. Every stroke of a chisel, every polished grain, and every carefully joined seam tells a story of hands that shape, of materials that endure, and of a vision that brings warmth and authenticity to modern homes. In this growing movement toward mindful design, barn wood furniture embodies not only a style but a philosophy, where sustainability, creativity, and soul converge to form something timeless and deeply human. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. Barn wood, often salvaged from old barns, fences, or farm structures, holds within it decades of weathering, history, and quiet endurance. Its scars are its charm, each knot and crack whispering of seasons past, of rain, sun, and the slow artistry of nature itself. When repurposed into bespoke furniture, that history becomes part of a living space, giving homes character and emotion that cannot be replicated by factory-made designs. What makes barn wood so special is not just its aged texture or rustic tone, it's the story it carries. In every table, chair, or shelf crafted from reclaimed timber lies a sense of continuity, a bridge between past and present. The craftsperson doesn't just build, they preserve memory, creating pieces that feel alive, personal, and meaningful. In the modern marketplace, where sustainability and authenticity are more valued than ever, this connection between maker, material, and customer has become a powerful business foundation. People no longer simply want furniture. They want stories, integrity, and design that reflects values they can stand behind. Bespoke barn wood furniture, with its eco-friendly roots and artisanal quality, speaks directly to that desire. Each custom-made piece becomes more than decor. It becomes an heirloom of emotion and artistry. Buyers appreciate not only the aesthetic appeal, but the transparency behind it. The knowledge that their table once supported a family barn, their bookshelf once framed a window looking over a field. This emotional resonance builds trust and loyalty, turning one-time customers into lifelong supporters who see themselves as part of the craft's legacy. For the modern woodworker or small business, embracing the art of bespoke barn wood design is both creatively fulfilling and financially promising. The growing demand for handcrafted, sustainable furniture presents enormous opportunities for those willing to merge skill with story. Unlike mass-produced pieces that are easily replaced, custom barn wood creations stand apart for their individuality and longevity. They occupy a unique market space that appeals to discerning customers, people who want their homes to reflect authenticity and soul. Each handcrafted piece offers a sense of intimacy, as though it were made specifically for the person who owns it. This emotional bond translates into value. Customers are willing to invest more when they feel a personal connection to what they're buying. And in an era that increasingly celebrates transparency, sustainability, and craftsmanship, this connection is what helps small businesses thrive. Craftsmanship lies at the heart of this movement. Every cut, every joint, every finish is a testament to patience and dedication. In working with reclaimed barn wood, the craftsman must listen to the material. It cannot be forced into perfection. It must be understood and guided. Each plank is different. Its texture, density, and grain dictate how it wants to be shaped. This dance between the artisan and the material gives rise to furniture that is as expressive as it is functional. The process becomes meditative, rooted in respect for the wood's past and hope for its future. This commitment to quality and authenticity gives customers more than just a piece of furniture. It gives them a sense of belonging to something greater, something honest and enduring. At the same time, the artistry of barnwood furniture aligns perfectly with modern interior design trends that favor balance between rustic and refined, natural and contemporary. A reclaimed wood dining table can anchor a sleek, minimalist room with warmth and depth. A barnwood headboard or shelving unit can introduce organic character into an otherwise modern setting. These pieces don't just decorate a space, they transform it, infusing it with the textures and tones of nature. This versatility adds to their appeal, allowing craftspeople to cater to a broad market, from farmhouse-style enthusiasts to urban dwellers craving a touch of authenticity in their apartments. The secret lies in understanding that true rustic beauty is not about roughness, but about harmony, between craftsmanship and imperfection, between nature's wildness and human refinement. Financially, bespoke barnwood furniture represents a golden intersection between art and enterprise. Because each piece is handcrafted, its value naturally exceeds that of factory-made furniture. Customers are not simply purchasing an item, they are investing in originality, sustainability, and story. This perception of value allows woodworkers to price their creations in alignment with their craftsmanship. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, as consumers grow increasingly aware of the environmental impact of mass production, reclaimed and sustainable materials have become symbols of conscious living. Businesses that highlight their eco-friendly practices, such as sourcing reclaimed wood locally, minimizing waste, and using non-toxic finishes, gain not only a marketing advantage, but also a moral one. They attract customers who want their purchases to reflect their ethics. The result is a sustainable business model built on both environmental and economic integrity. For small woodworking businesses, transparency and storytelling are as essential as the craft itself. Sharing the origin of the wood, the process of restoration, and the inspiration behind each design creates a deeper bond with customers. When people feel they are part of a story, they become emotionally invested. They begin to see their purchase not merely as a possession, but as a contribution to a meaningful journey, a partnership between maker and buyer. This sense of connection is what drives loyalty and appreciation, ensuring that the business doesn't just sell furniture, but builds relationships. In this way, each bespoke barnwood creation becomes a symbol of shared values, sustainability, honesty, and beauty rooted in purpose. Beyond its aesthetic and business appeal, the movement of rustic reimagined design carries cultural significance. It reflects a shift in how society defines progress. Where once innovation meant speed and uniformity, today it means thoughtfulness and individuality. Handmade barnwood furniture defies the disposable mindset of modern consumerism, reminding us that true progress respects the past while shaping the future responsibly. By reviving old materials and crafting them into something new, artisans participate in an act of quiet rebellion against wastefulness. They prove that sustainability and luxury can coexist, that elegance can be ethical, and that art can also be profitable. Each project thus becomes a statement of resilience, creativity, and hope, a message carved into wood that says beauty can be reborn from what was once forgotten. This philosophy also fosters community. Many barnwood furniture makers work with local suppliers, farmers, or demolition teams to source their materials. This not only supports local economies, but also reduces environmental impact by keeping production close to home. Moreover, sharing this collaborative story with customers adds depth to the brand narrative. Buyers feel connected not only to the craftsperson, but also to the broader community involved in the creation process. In a world increasingly dominated by faceless corporations, This sense of human connection becomes a rare and powerful selling point. It transforms commerce into community, purchase into participation. In essence, Rustic Reimagined is not merely a style. It's a philosophy of making and living. It invites us to see beauty where others see waste, to find opportunity in history, and to express artistry through responsibility. Each piece of bespoke barn wood furniture tells a story of transformation, from weathered planks to elegant forms, from forgotten structures to cherished heirlooms, from material to meaning. The modern craftsperson becomes both artist and storyteller, shaping wood and narrative alike into something that endures. The customer, in turn, becomes part of this continuum, choosing not just to furnish a home, but to support a movement grounded in integrity and imagination. Every grain of wood polished to perfection, every joint fitted with care, is a reminder that creativity and responsibility are not opposites but partners. In that partnership lies the future of modern woodworking, one where profit and purpose grow together, rooted in the enduring elegance of the handmade and the timeless soul of the reclaimed. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood. So stay safe and stay blessed.